Hi there, I'm Bryce Button, Product Marketing Manager at AJ Video Systems, and you've just seen the HELO. The HELO is our streaming and encoding device, the H.264. You're able to set different compression levels for the encoding, which is happening to a USB stick, or to your stream. This allows you to be extremely flexible, deal with low bandwidth, while recording a better picture quality that you're actually going to keep for video on demand, and effectively give you your options for the different CDNs you deal with. The product is controllable through a web browser because it's got a built-in web server, and you can set your presets for your particular delivery platforms. This is an incredibly well-priced device. It is flexible, it's standalone, you just need a network, of course. It'll take HDMI and SDI in, as well as loop it throughout. So if you want to learn more about the HELO, please visit aj.com and take a look at our streaming products.